Alright, so I'm super excited to have you here today. So today we'll be looking at the way unlocking the power of digital marketing. At the end of this video, you should understand the 7 core areas of digital marketing so that you can go into the market and crush it, crazily. Okay, if you're a student, you're a shop owner, or you're looking forward to venture into digital marketing as a career, this is the best video so far that can help you to unleash your potential and start to make a whole lot of revenue from the internet. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's dive into it. My name is Evie. I'm a digital marketing expert. Okay, so on this channel I teach you ways you can make money online. Okay, so let's get straight to it. So today's topic is digital marketing. So what is digital marketing as a whole? Welcome to the exciting world of digital marketing. In a simple terms, digital marketing is simply the use of internet and the online tools to promote and sell products or services. So instead of using the traditional ways like billboard, newspaper, advertisements, and sharing of handbills, you can easily use your website, use search engine, or send an automated email to people in your contact list. Alright, you can run Facebook advertisements and all of that, or use social media. Okay, now there are 7 core areas of digital marketing we'll be exploring today, and if you understand it, I bet you no longer have issue with either making money online or promoting your goods, services, and the rest of them. Okay, so number 1 on my list here is affiliate marketing, which is the number 1 part of digital marketing. So affiliate marketing is simply connecting your products or services to a existing audience, people who have interest in what you are selling. Okay, and I will show you how to do that ethically and make revenue from that. Okay, your money making adventure. Number 1, you have to promote products, either digital or physical products. Digital products, I mean like software, like ebook, like PDF. These things are called digital products. And then physical products like your laptop, your iPhone, your desktop, and the rest of them, this is called physical products. Okay, and by the time you connect these products to people that are searching for it, it might not be the creator, but when you connect it to the people that are in need of it, you earn commission, which is called, you earn reward, which is sales commission. Okay, so what it simply means that it's just like you get paid when you connect buyer and seller together. That is simply what affiliate marketing is, and it's it's number 1 part of what digital marketing. So let's get to the second one now. Second one is called content marketing. Content marketing is all about you sharing your ideas, just like the video you're watching right now. It's called content marketing. You can do it in your website, you can do it in YouTube, you can do it on Facebook. So any platform you find yourself engaging more often, you find yourself coming easily, you can maximize the potential there to put in your content there. Okay, so what it does that when you constantly put content out there, people get to resonate with you, people get to know you, get to trust you. All is called KLT, know, like, and trust with your audience. By the time they trust you, they can easily contact you and say, okay, I found that you are doing so thing, I want you to help me out. Okay, how much does it cost? So you can do sponsorship and the rest of them. Okay, so let's continue. You create fun content, make engaging stories, videos, or pictures, offer value to attract audience. It's very important, offering value, because when you share your ideas, they get to trust you, they get to believe you, and then they can ask you questions. Okay, then share engaging media, share useful or entertaining media online. Okay, build a community around your content. Whenever you want to do content creation, make it fun, make it engaging, don't make it salesy, so that people can engage. Okay, that's the second one, which is called content marketing. Let's proceed from here. Next one again is called SEO. We call it search engine optimization, making your websites easy to find. Like I have my personal website, about 2 websites, which I publish blog content. Okay, and I have clients own, and which I also help them to manage. Now the essence of doing this, I will explain this in detail, okay, in a subsequent videos. Now is for you to rank higher in Google. You could use keyword research, more about that one later. Help websites show up first on Google. So by the time you do enough search engine optimization, okay, you do enough keyword research, you get to write appealing content that is engaging, that people love. So the more people binge on your content, the more the platform, which is Google, get to promote it higher. So you get to write content that is what SEO driven. Now you say improve visibility, use keyword and other SEO tactics to improve visibility. Okay, it says front of the This is just an analogy. Like these children are seeing here now, maybe they might be looking for, they go on Google and then they search toy, they search websites, how to make money online. So by the time they search for those keywords, if you optimize very well in your content in those keywords, you get to show up on Google. They will click and then they read about your content. Okay, and I'm going to also show you how I make money in affiliate marketing using SEO and my website as we proceed. Okay, the next again now is what we call email marketing. Now these things, they work hand in hand. You get to include like opt-in page in your website or your landing page, that people that read your content or people that watch your YouTube video or they watch any of your content, you can direct them to submit their email, submit their contact. Okay, so that they will be getting content from you. You get to send them helpful content. Okay, once in a while you can upsell them, tell them about maybe services that you're using that is helping you, or you can upsell them with any affiliate marketing platform in which you are a member. So by so doing, they can easily opt in to those affiliate marketing platforms through your affiliate link. You earn referral bonuses from there. Okay, next again, it's called influencer marketing. It's very important. This is whereby you get to collaborate with people who had larger audience, like either on TikTok or on Facebook. You can go on TikTok live with them. You can as well pay them money for them to promote your page. Like when you're on Facebook, you get to see people that will tell you pay 5,000 naira, pay 10,000 naira and promote your page. So by the time you pay those influencer marketers money, they get to promote your page. If you're starting out newly, you get to pay them money so they can promote your flyers or your link to your page so that people can follow you, right? Next again now is web design. If that you don't include it here, web design is very important. You can create a very good website. We call it UI UX. Okay, user interface. People can pay you money for you to design website for them using Photoshop. Okay, you can use Canva, but Photoshop is the standard way to design website. It's very, very important. You can charge client like $200, $300 to create a website for them. Like a Nigerian client, you can charge 120,000 naira using WordPress to design it for them. Very, very important. Okay, then another one again is called marketing. You can run advertisement for clients, which is what will dominate where we dominate greatly. Social media marketing. You can create content using AI. You can do advertisement on Facebook, Instagram for clients, and then they can pay you money for that. Okay, you can manage a whole lot of clients advertisement in ad campaign, which is called in Facebook Ad Manager. We're going to teach you that as you proceed from here. Okay, so these 7 things I have mentioned now is the 7 core area of what digital marketing. Okay, you can as well include graphic design and video editing. Okay, we have basic and advanced one. Basic one using like Canva, advanced one like using CorelDRAW or using Photoshop to do your design. The same thing in video editing as well. We have CapCut, we have InShot and the rest of them. So advanced one again, we have like Adobe Premiere Pro. So those things are some of the digital marketing skills that you can learn, and then you start to monetize and make money on the internet. So tips and tricks for digital marketing success. If you want to make it very, very well in this industry, you must embrace these tips I'm about to unleash to you right now. Number 1 is create great content. Offer value to attract audience. Again, is to know your audience. Everyone should not be your audience. You cannot say to everybody. There are people that, if you are targeting people that they have any limit, maybe people that are earning like 100,000 naira or 50,000 naira, the way you communicate to them will be different. If you are targeting people that are making 500, 1 million naira, if you are targeting people that are not even making money at all, people that are even struggling. So the way you communicate, your targeting, okay, how you structure it matters a lot. So know who people you are targeting. Even your creative, your visuals, the color you use, okay, your captions, the words you use. If you're down to target people that are low class, there is way you do it. So get to know your audience. All those things matters in your creatives. Extremely important. Okay, next again is to use keywords, keyword research. If you are writing for web, like on Google, if you are writing for YouTube, okay, search engine optimization, you get to include keywords that people are searching for so they can rank and they can connect with you. Okay, but most importantly, user friendly. Let people engage in your content. Let your content answer people's question. Okay, so let us proceed now. Then the last one now is some of the mistakes to avoid. Know your audience. Some people don't know their audience, what you are selling. Like if I'm doing affiliate marketing, anyone that is below 22 years, I don't target them, because what I do is higher products. What I'm selling is higher offer. So I think that they might not be able to afford what I'm selling. I don't know if you understand that. So I target them, demographic targeting, psychological targeting. The words you say there, if you are saying, if you are not working, if you are looking for a way to make money online, I don't say such words. If you are looking for a way to make money online, I talk to people that already making money online. Do you see that? So if you want to upsell, if you want to make more, you see my words. If you want to make more money, if you want to increase from making 100 to 500, do this. So I'm speaking to my audience. I know people I'm talking to, not people that are just starting out newly. Okay, if I want to say affiliate marketing off right now, that is how I do my targeting. All right, so create great content, focus on quality not quantity, so they can get maximum return, which is called maximum return on any of the effort you are putting on social media. Okay, lastly, optimize for SEO. Do you get? Make your website to be easy to be found on Google. There are tools for doing SEO. There are many of them. We have KW Finder, we have SEMrush, we have SEMscope, a lot of them. Okay, have even Google keyword research. You can use a whole lot of them to do keyword research. Okay, we have keyword everywhere as well. These are free tools that you can use to optimize very, very well and get people to engage with you. Okay, so if you find value in this content, feel free to drop it in this video description what you like so far. Okay, and if you're in that group as well, I'll be dropping an offer. If you want to do affiliate marketing, you want to learn all those skills that we have listed here now, be sure, all right, to hit the link below. Okay, you're gonna see how much it is for the first 10 persons who want to get started with it. We are going to be doing it live and also physical. Okay, you can grab the offer right now. Instead of paying 250,000 naira, you can grab the offer right now with the link below. So both physical and online training to connect and learn a whole lot from us. Okay, in first 1 month you enroll in this digital marketing, you are guaranteed to start making money online, or else we resend the money you used to get started with the program. Okay, see you later. Bye for now. That case, catch you up later.